Alright guys, this is 2023 Kia NIRO, and here is the problem. The radio will not turn on. It's just gonna keep doing that. Then the maximum I can only get is 5% or 6%. And then if you guys notice, it did blink. So by the way, that instrument cluster was replaced by my coworker twice, and the problem still exists. Now it's my turn to figure it out. Okay, so I believe we're having some issue with this audio unit, but I have to prove it. So I disconnect the main connector right here. This is the one who's gonna provide power and ground. Put all back together, installed my cluster, and let's see what happened. So I'm gonna press this one now. Let's see how high we can get. Now we are in max. And I've been staring at it for like 2 minutes. It does not blink at all. So I think there is a problem with our audio unit. Alright guys, so I do have the new one in. This is the new one. I just transfer the bracket, and this is the old one right here. The new one is all plugged in. Every single connector is in. I'm just gonna go ahead and install my instrument cluster, and let's see what happens. Make sure all the wires are free. You don't want to pinch those things. Now let's go ahead and speed up the process. Now let's go ahead and install this instrument cluster. Just be careful not to scratch anything. So plug this ground cable first, then this connector, and then there's one big guy right here. There we go. Make sure all connector will click. Then this, make sure this is still freely. Then all you have to do is set this guy correctly right there. This guy will hold 1 and 2 screws on this side, and also 2 screws here at the bottom. But before I deal with that, I want to test it first. Hopefully we fix it. Here we go. Ooh, it's on. Right there. connecting to Kia Connect, but let's try this. So we can illuminate up to 100%. Very nice. Alright, I don't want to deal with this. Let the customer deal with this. Skip. That's fine. There we go. Now it's on. I'm not gonna play any music, but hey, it's on. Date it's fine. Friday, September 13th, but it is 9 a.m. now. Woohoo! Turn that off. And let's go ahead and install those screws and make this thing secured. Am I doing it right? So, or oh, I have to hook it up. It's not sitting correctly. There we go. There we go. Now it's all hooked. Sweet. Alright, first one in. Let's go work on the second one. Okay, and let's speed it up. Then we can install this back. There is 1, 2 clip here, and just line those bottom section. Still freely. Okay, there you go. Make this guy magnetic so we don't drop any screws. Okay. By the way, I switched my bit to a longer one. I don't think this is the right one though, but this is the only one I got. Just be careful, I guess. Oh shoot, I forgot something. I forgot this, guys. I forgot this. Uh-oh. Yeah, I forgot. Well, redo it. That thing is, don't know, maybe that thing is important. Yeah, this car sat here for like days, so I forgot. Good thing we're not that far. Okay, can I just let this thing hang? Nah, unplug it. Super easy. Oh man, this thing is... Oh, come on, buddy. Be nice to me, it's Friday. There we go. All right. So, how this thing gonna go in? All right. So I think. Oh yeah, because that cluster is gonna hook up here too. Here, there, and to here. Okay. So this is important. Okay. It doesn't matter if it's important or what. It needs to go in, right? All right. Next time I'm gonna do this, I will never forget this bracket. Okay, so all right, let's do this again. There's some scratch here. Well, you know, my coworker removed this twice, so oh well. Okay. 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 There we go. There we go. There we go. Now we're gonna hook it up. There we go. Now it feels more secured. Let's keep working. Okay. All right. It's going in. Okay. All right. Then put this back. Plug it in first. It works. Line it up. And press it in. There we go. Sweet. Now let's work on this guy right here. It's really hard to see, but there's two screws over there that I gotta put in. Alright guys, so when I removed this, I didn't see a screw in there. I think my coworker did not put them in. I can't find them, but I do have this too. They're just the same size, so we're just gonna use this guy to secure the instrument cluster. It's right there. Oops. Sorry guys, this might be hard to film, but you guys get some idea. Okay, one in, not tight, but in. So the second one, oh man, it's all the way back there. Can I do it? Ooh. Oh boy. Oh my goodness. Okay. Hopefully the camera pick it up. I think it's in. Yeah. There we go. There we go. There we go. Start. Now I'm gonna go tie them really quick. Okay. It's right there. You know what? My tool won't fit. I'm just gonna use this guy right here. Okay. Alright. Where is it? Okay. Right there. There we go. There we go. That's good enough. Then the other one is right there. Okay. Sweet. Then line this up and press it in. There we go. There we go. Alright, I think I got it all in. Okay, so let's turn it on. There we go. Woohoo!